Airfare can be so expensive. So what if I told you there was a really easy way to get cheaper flights? In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to find cheaper flights online using a VPN. Finding affordable plane tickets can sometimes feel like hunting for hidden treasure. Prices fluctuate frequently, and what looks like a great deal today might certainly vanish tomorrow. But did you know that you can potentially unlock cheaper airfare using a simple tool? Today, we're talking about a virtual private network. So let's go ahead and dive into how you can use a VPN to find those elusive, wallet-friendly flights in 2024. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video so that you don't only save on your airfare, but you can also save on a VPN subscription. So why use a VPN for cheaper flights? You see, airlines often change their ticket prices based on where you're browsing from. This practice, which is formally known as price discrimination, means someone in one country might see a different price than someone in another, even for the exact same flight. A VPN helps you mask your real location by assigning you an IP address from another server in another country. Now, what this does is this can trick the airline's website into thinking that you're browsing from a place where tickets are cheaper. So here's a step-by-step guide to using a VPN for flight deals. First things first, choose the right VPN. Pick a VPN that has servers in multiple countries, which are most. Providers like NordVPN, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN offer a wide range of locations. Next, make sure the VPN doesn't keep logs and has strong privacy policies. You're going to want to clear your digital footprint. So before you start searching, clear your browser's cookies and cache. This is going to be different for each browser, but this prevents websites from using your past browsing data to influence prices. Connect through a VPN server. Open your VPN app and connect to a server in a country you believe might offer lower flight prices. Common choices include countries with lower living standards or even airlines' home country. Use incognito mode. To ensure your browsing session remains private and your searches don't influence future prices, open an incognito or a private browsing window. Start searching. Visit various flight comparison sites and airlines' official sites to search for flights. Make sure to compare prices from different VPN server locations to see where flights are actually the cheapest. Repeat and compare. Don't settle on the first price you see. Connect to a different VPN servers and repeat this search to find the best deals. Tips for choosing the best VPN server location. Developing countries. Sometimes airlines offer lower prices in markets with lower purchasing power. Destination country. Checking prices as if you're in the country that you're planning to visit can reveal some local deals. Airlines home country. Airlines often have special offers available only to their home market, your own country. Surprisingly, your own market might have deals, especially if the demand for certain destinations is low. Now, is all this legal? Yes, using a VPN to book flights is legal. However, it is wise to read through the airline's terms and conditions as well as the booking platform's policies to just ensure that you're not violating any specific terms. When might it not work? While a VPN can often help get you cheaper airfare tickets, it's not a magic solution. Some airlines and booking platforms have sophisticated systems that might still detect your actual location based on payment details, or they may even revert prices at checkout. Plus, the differences in prices might not always be significant, but for expensive flights, even a small percentage of savings can definitely be worth the extra little bit of effort. Understanding the mechanism behind price discrimination. Airlines and travel booking websites use complex algorithms to determine ticket prices. These algorithms take into account various factors, including the user's location, the time of booking, demand for the flight, and even browsing history. By using a VPN, you can manipulate some of these factors to your advantage. Geolocation pricing. Airlines may offer different prices based on the perceived location of the user. Using a VPN, you can appear to be in a country where prices are typically lower. Avoiding dynamic pricing. Clearing your cookies and using incognito mode help avoid dynamic pricing, where prices increase based on your repeated search searches. Accessing regional discounts. Some airlines provide regional discounts or promotions that are only visible to users from certain locations. A VPN can help you access these hidden deals. Additional strategies to save on airfare. Flexible dates. If your travel dates are flexible, use fare comparison tools to find the cheapest days to fly. Booking in advance. While last-minute deals can sometimes be found, booking your flight several months in advance often secures the best prices. Price alerts. Set up price alerts on travel websites to get notified when fares drop for your desired route. Consider alternate airports. Check flights from nearby airports as they can sometimes offer lower fares. Frequent flyer programs. Join frequent flyer programs to accumulate points that can be redeemed for discounts or free flights. Our recommendations for VPNs when it comes to getting cheaper airfare in 2024. First up is NordVPN. Excellence in speed and security. NordVPN stands out with its superior security features and swift connection speeds, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use, as well as getting those cheaper airline tickets. Some key features include advanced security. NordVPN uses state-of-the-art encryption and maintains a strict no logs policy, ensuring your data is protected. An automatic kill switch cuts your internet connection if the VPN connection for some reason drops, safeguarding against any data leaks. User-friendly. Available on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, NordVPN's user-friendly interface allows easy server switching. It includes specialized servers for additional privacy and performance features such as double VPN and peer-to-peer sharing. Reliable performance. Enjoy nearly uninterrupted speeds, perfect for streaming, gaming, looking for airline tickets, and large downloads thanks to NordVPN's expansive server network. Now, NordVPN also has some extra features. Features like dark web monitoring and MeshNet enhance your security, alerting you to potential threats and enabling secure connections across the internet. Now, NordVPN has some competitive pricing, accessible at just $339 per month for a 2-year plan with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to test the service without risk. Not to mention, if you click the link down in the description next to NordVPN, you can get a special deal. If you click that link, you'll be taken to this page here. And as you can see, you can go ahead and save big and get 4 months extra. Just click this red button here and get the deal. From here, you can choose any of NordVPN's 3 plans, their basic, standard, or ultimate plan, and get 4 extra months. Just choose your plan, fill out the brief checkout process, and as you can see over here, you are getting 4 extra months. Next up is ExpressVPN, superior speed and global access. Known for its outstanding performance and broad server network, ExpressVPN is ideal for those needing fast and accessible connections. Global reach. With servers in over 100 countries, ExpressVPN ensures you can connect reliably and quickly from virtually anywhere, which is especially useful for travelers or those in restricted regions. Premium security. Utilizing AES 256 encryption, the highest security standard, ExpressVPN shields your data effectively. Simple setup. The VPN is easy to set up across all devices, featuring a straightforward user interface perfect for beginners. Optimized for streaming. It offers excellent speeds with minimal buffering, ideal for streaming movies or engaging in file sharing. Robust privacy protections. A stringent no logs policy and DNS leak protection keep your online activities private and secure. If you want to get a special deal on ExpressVPN, just check out the link down in the description next to ExpressVPN. When you click on that link, you'll be brought to this page here. And as you can see, you can get 3 extra months free when you sign up for a 12-month plan. Be sure to use the link in the description to get this deal. From this page, go ahead and click on Get ExpressVPN. And when you choose the 12-month option here, you're going to get those 3 extra months free after you fill out the short checkout form. And again, ExpressVPN also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try ExpressVPN risk-free. Lastly, we have Surfshark, comprehensive security for unlimited devices. Rapidly gaining popularity, Surfshark is praised for its blend of security, performance, and user-focused features. Suitable for an unlimited number of devices, unlimited connections. Cover all your devices with one subscription, from smartphones to gaming consoles. Advanced security options. Includes clean web to block ads and malware, and also employs AES 256 GCM encryption and supports secure protocols like WireGuard and more. Nexus technology. Surfshark's Nexus technology integrates all its servers to enhance your online security and stability. Features like camouflage mode keep your VPN use hidden from ISPs. They also have a strict no logs policy, which ensures that your online actions remain private and unmonitored. Expansive network. Fast and stable connections are assured with RAM-only servers in over 100 countries. If you want to get a special discount on Surfshark, be sure to visit the link down in the description next to Surfshark. That'll bring you to this page here where you can get 3 months extra when you sign up for a Surfshark subscription. Once at this page, just go ahead and click on Get Surfshark. And from here, whether you choose a 24-month plan or a 12-month plan, you're going to get 3 extra months on any of Surfshark's 3 plans. Just browse the different features and choose whichever plan is best for your needs. Once you've chosen a plan best for your needs, just click on this Get one. And from here, you can see you're getting those 3 months extras after you check out. Surfshark also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try Surfshark risk-free. Beyond cheaper flights. Additional benefits of using a VPN. Now, using a VPN isn't just about saving money on flights. It enhances your online security and privacy, shielding your browsing activity from prying eyes and protecting your data on public Wi-Fi networks. So whether you're booking a flight, shopping online, or simply browsing the internet, a VPN can be your digital safeguard. Securing public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks, such as those in airports and cafes, are notoriously insecure. A VPN encrypts your data, protecting you from potential hackers. Avoiding geographical restrictions. Access content that may be restricted in your region, such as streaming services or websites. Maintaining anonymity. By masking your IP address, a VPN helps you maintain anonymity online, making it harder for websites and advertisers to track your activities. Safe online transactions. When shopping or banking online, a VPN ensures your financial data is secure from cyber criminals. Ready to start your journey to cheaper flights? With a bit of patience and the right VPN, you're well equipped to hunt down those deals. So safe travels and happy fair hunting. So if you're ready to save money on an airfare with a VPN, be sure to check out those links I mentioned down in the video description. By using this link, you're not only supporting this channel, but you're also giving yourself a sweet discount. And by doing so, you're allowing us to continue to create free, informative videos just like this one. So if you do end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance for your support. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content on VPN, cybersecurity, comparison videos, and tutorials to help keep you safe online. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.